Hello everyone, I would like to talk to you about competitive advantage of Taiwan 4.0. My name is Derek Luo from Intelligent Machinery Technology Center ITRI. Let me upload the file first, please wait. Taiwan is very strong in three fields, including machine tool, precision manufacturing, and information. With those technological support, the high-quality mass product become possible, especially in aerospace, 3C, and automobile. For the need to variety product, the materials such as metal composite size are needed to be considered. Taiwan now is the middle upper level. With the support of IoT, Taiwan are able to provide high performance machine tool under low price. There are difficulties for Taiwan's SMEs on building or using technology machinery management, enterprise resource management, customer relation management, product life cycle management, as well as manufacturing execution system, and lack of paths for co-creation. There is no dedicated platform for developers from machine builders, component makers, software companies to develop and sell education or service for machinery industry. Lack of SaaS for industry sector such as process optimization, maintenance, prediction, diagnostics. The verification site is planned and built with the aim to link local cluster and supplier network, international R&D network, as well as the future business opportunity. The mission of the verification site is to help machinery company to move that last mile of intelligent machinery based on the full developed cluster for component modules, machine, while enhancing the system integration capability and also help the machine user to make the first step on building intelligent factory and supply chain. The concept of building the verification site is to meet the requirement of feasible massive customization with 100% MIT machine and system solution. MIT machine or machine tool are made in Taiwan and conduct mixed production of 9 products from bicycle, aerospace, automotive, and motorcycle machine tool 3C. All machine tools are equipped with standard data collection device with standard data exchange protocol and information model. The factory is able to conduct line, mix, batch, and massive customize for various production scheme and first change over due to the production management systems such as ERP, MES, APS. All software installed in the verification site can be developed to the standard national IoT platform and cost-effective for SMEs. The verification site is built with the purpose to encourage to commit to implementing intelligent production, construct realistic intelligent production system to show efficiency and flexibility to SMEs and motivate for investment and digital transformation. To verify feasibility of domestic solution build in infrastructure for digital transformation, develop standard IoT platform and application software module for various industry sector, and provide test bed for companies. To take of building of the verification site are 100% MIT high-end machine and production management system, implement with standard IoT platform and application software module to achieve intelligent production. As the global manufacturing market is moving massive customization, domestic SMEs have difficult on meeting the requirement. Reduce inventory and human resource cost and hence the overall cost. Reduce product development and change over time to reduce overall time to market. Increase productivity by human-machine collaboration. Increase utilization and QC efficiency. Create value add with cloud management system. The verification site will provide solution for zero cost increase and zero mistake production, and zero productivity lost, zero planning time, zero production limit. With those solutions, SME can achieve cost-effective one-piece order massive customization with using 100% MIT machines with the integration of AI and cloud computing. Let's talk about latest policy plan. The white paper of from TAMI proposed that machinery industry in Taiwan should move from machine maker to solution provider by using cloud computing platform to deploy software solution to global market. TAMI has defined short-term, mid-term, long-term goal to establish the kingdom of intelligent machinery by using cloud computing and big data. I'm at 8% annual growth rate and 2 trillion output value on 2025. The objective of building the machinery cloud is to encourage digital transformation based on previous achievement of smart machine parks, so that machine build company, component makers, software developers can develop digital service based on machine IoT, such as maintenance, production, manufacturing environment for e-commerce. Sell solution on software marketplace for cluster integration to help customer to create value chain. Develop architecture of cloud service business model, and the most important thing is occupy the desktop. The IDC report showed that over 60% of manufacturing or software development companies are planning to move production related software system to the cloud. Domestic investigation report also shows that over 60% of Taiwan manufacturing companies are conducting digital transformation. IoT, cloud computing, cybersecurity, big data, mobile app, digital marketing, and are top 7 topics of investment. The scenario of machinery cloud is that standard IoT box with standard data collection, communication, and information model is shipped standalone for or with machine. User can achieve the box with account and authorization information and purchase application or subscribe service in the machinery cloud. The application and service in the machinery cloud covered a wide range of industry sectors, such as machine tool, metal cutting, injection, molding, textile, metal forming, PCB, as well as woodwork. The first thing to build machinery cloud is to build the standard edge computing device. As current, there are many edge cloud computing devices with many costs, different data format, incompatible SaaS, and resource lagged by an app. The idea is to unify the software architecture of the edge computing device to achieve standard information model and competitive SaaS, multitasking, resource management, shared data, Apple lifecycle management. The standardized edge computing device is applicable for various industries such as machine tool, injection, molding, assembly, metal forming, woodwork, and 3C. The machinery cloud is designed with a department store model in such companies can have their own store. There are many ready-to-use companies in the cloud such as SDKs, IoT modules, standard information model, AI frameworks, so that developers can use those components to reduce development cycle. Company can allocate or subscribe cloud computing resource and host a store in the cloud. So we have machine builders store, optional and provide optional software, third-party software, and subsystem software. For system integrators store, we provide production quality management or process diagnostic and process optimization solution. For other third-party store, we can provide like dual component market ISVs and management machine companies. Conclusion: Taiwan has complete cluster of machinery, application, information, and communication industry, which are beneficial to develop verified technology for Industry 4.0. The technology verification side for intelligent manufacturing is critical to digital transformation as it helps companies to conduct prototyping, talent education, and technical transfer. The intelligent machinery cloud will establish new business model for intelligent manufacturing, which make it first faster to deploy Industry 4.0 technology to global market. Thank you.